In this episode, we're going to find out when your client machines last booted. Hey everybody, I'm Jason Yoder, and this channel is about the questions I get in my PowerShell, Azure, or CompTIA Security Plus classes. Now this question about when my client last rebooted, I get this question a couple times a year, so let's take a look at one of the options that you have to discover when did a client last reboot. Now, being a PowerShell guy, I'm going to be doing this in PowerShell. So we're going to be calling upon the common information model, and we're going to be going through Win32 underscore operating system, which contains the information we're looking for. Now, this code is going to reach out to each individual computer inside of your domain and ask this question. Now, full disclosure here. This is a test environment that only has two computers, a domain controller and this client machine. So you have to understand that in your environment, you're going to have machines that are offline. They will return an error, but that's something that you can easily handle if you know a little bit about how to catch your errors in PowerShell. If not, hey, reach out to me at this email address. I'll set you up with one of my online classes, or if you want me to come on-prem, I'll be happy to come out there and do a PowerShell class for your entire team. All right. Oh, one more thing here. Also, PowerShell remoting does need to be turned on, and you need to be logged in with an account that is allowed to remote. That's either going to be an administrator or a remote management user. So this first line of code is going to grab all the computer names out of Active Directory, and like I mentioned, we only have two computers in this environment. This next set of code is going to reach out to each one of those machines and ask it a question about its Win32 underscore operating system content and filter it down to what we are looking for. And now you can see when each one of the computers booted. Thank you for watching. Y'all take care, and I'll see you in the next episode.